good tonight. You make me feel alright. Looking good tonight. You make me feel alright.
Hi and welcome to Vikings Explore. My name is Bukosi. Super excited that you guys are watching this. It means that you have subscribed and you have liked my vlog. I've received actually, good feedback about this channel or the vlogs that I do, where I go out and show you guys the things that I get up to or the food that I eat with the people that I meet. So thank you so much guys for the positive feedback. We'll try to grow this channel, and show you guys the things that we get up to, the restaurants that you go to, so that you can try them out as well some other time. So yeah, tonight guys, I'm meeting my friends from home. You know them, you've seen them on my social media platforms. I post pictures of them, and in here as well we have actually a vlog that we did together when we went to Proud Mary's in Rosebank. So tonight we just decided to do things a little bit different. We always do cookouts or go to someone's place and eat. So tonight we just decided, guys, let's call it a night of glitz and glam, dress up and look good, and we just meet up and have a good time, and good food, lots of laughter as well. So guys, follow me on this journey as I show you guys everything that we get up to. It's a Turkish restaurant that we're going to, so a little bit different of things, even on food, so yeah, follow me guys on this. So this is the castle situated in Irene Centurion, and as you enter guys, it feels like you're in Iran at some Persian night city vibe or something like that. It's super majestic, beautiful, blue lights, mirrors, lots of glitter everywhere on the walls, mirrors. It's just so amazing. And one thing I loved about them, the bottom, they kept it like blue in color, and as you enter, it's a little bit maroon or burgundy. And yeah, so off I go to upstairs to meet my friends. It has some nice rooms where you can have private meetings or private dinners or little parties that you can have, and the open space as well. The bar is fully loaded with different type of drinks. There's one of the rooms in there where you can have a private party. And yeah guys, so let's journey along and enjoy. It's just gonna be a lovely night. I really can't wait for you guys to see everything. So here we go guys, and the ladies are here. I got Beauty here. Ciao. Hey, what up? Say something. And we have what up? The usual.
Hi V.
Hey, what up?
How are you?
Good. And we have TK. Alright, we're just waiting for others to get here guys. The place is beautiful, hey? Why didn't you book the sitting where it's like a bed and they bring a...
That one.
Yes, something like that. We would actually sleep here as well, We just get in the mood. So I had just settled in and they're taking drinks orders. We went for wine, it was just lovely, and the one guy who was supposed to be here had just been late, but he's gonna be arriving soon.
1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, it's
Bitte schau mal.
Kein alcoholic.
Das meinst du?
So we're part of
the cat anti-rhino poaching campaign. So we were at abapose, ma'am.
It can never be me. It can never be me. You.
I got the head, I didn't know.
I got 7 years of bed in Davos.
Even when you met today, what about Grace? What Grace? Come on,
At first, I used to feel overwhelmed.
Overwhelmed by what? For some reason, even
Come here,
There's 2 more coming. This is part of the mixed kebab of 4. This is the doner kebab.
Oh, so this is Turkish food, I guess.
Yes.
So special mix and mixing. So wait, so they mix everything.
This one mix this two. Oh, Mara,
This one, shish kebab is here for the stew, and tavu is chicken based on stew. There is a kuchuka potatoes, we have lettuce.
So what about tomato sauce? Oh, sorry. Nindi sa lane sa kwalan. Kaming kwalan medin. Please. So just after we ate, we went into some musical dance, the Turkish vibe, those beautiful ladies belly dancing, your Shakira type of mood, so just keep watching, guys. and enjoy the dance moves.
Yeah, now I'm one.
Thank you guys. We had a good time. Join us on the next vlog. Signing out, Vikings. Go well.
Go Sherry.
You must go well. See you. Games night will be coming. You must go well. Go shell. Cheers. You must go well.
Bye.
You must go well.
See ya.
Go well. Yeah, Changana Games Night, Ditana Yini, or medicinal invitation. We following each other, right? We following each other, right?
Hey.